Hi everyone, it's Lisa and welcome to Lisa's Stamp Studio. You may have seen my entire series on using the Stampin' blends, and I'll tell you what, I've really gotten an amazing collection. I even have more of these. I was having difficulty on finding a way of storing them where they were still visible, and that's when I discovered this. This is the Stampin' Up! Wood Mount Stamp Case. I found I can fit 14, even 15 in this case. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lay them in here, and you can see I've got numerous color families here. So I'm going to count those and see how many I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I have the color lifter, the bronze, and the ivory. So I've got 6 color families in there, as well as the 2 skin tone and the color lifter, and you can see they fit beautifully. I've got another case with all my other ones in them, and here's what I absolutely love. When they're sitting on my shelf, I can see exactly which color are in which case because it's clear on both sides. Now, if you like fancy, you can go ahead and decorate the outside with designer series paper because there is a clear slip cover here for you to slide that in. I wanted to share the storage tip with you because it has worked fabulous for me. Thanks so much for joining me for this week's quick tip. I look forward to seeing you next week. Have a great day.